at the dam at Hetch Hetchy, going for my second hike. Alright, embarking on a 5-mile hike. We'll see how it goes. Now we know what the falls are. Tuella, and Wapama. You can see light at the end of the tunnel, no pun intended, so here it goes. Ooh, spooky! There's a lot of water, so should be when going inside the tunnel. Take your sunglasses off, Nabil. Oh, it's so beautiful on this side. Alright, you have to go through this particularly wet section, so we'll not video it in case I slip. Oh, look at those waterfalls up there. They're pretty neat too. Wow. I'm gonna go through the tunnel now. Less wet in this area. That will be my last report from Hetch Hetchy, and peace out. See you in Fremont. Yosemite March weekend check.